Hello, and welcome to this Pali-Studies tutorial. A little while ago I promised I would do a tutorial on the SuttaCentral website, so that's what this tutorial is going to be about. I've noticed there aren't many guides or tutorials out there explaining the site, so that's probably because it's very self-explanatory, but there are a couple of neat things which aren't that obvious, so I'm going to detail them in this video. Now, the first thing to notice is the navigation pane here. You can turn this off and on by hitting the menu button here, and you can bring it back again. In the navigation pane you can see that there's the three baskets of the Tripitaka here. In a previous video I've gone through how this matches up with the books and the chapters of the Tripitaka. So we're going to just have a look at an example. So here there's the along the middle, the linked and the numbered, etc. There's the Pali versions, and there's also the agamas, which are the Chinese versions, if you want to cross-reference. So if we go and look at one of the sutras, so here you can see the standard numbering schemes, and I'm just going to go down and find MN10. So this is the Mahasatipatthana Sutra, and you can see here it's got the standard numbering scheme MN10. It's got the Pali Text Society's page reference. Here are the English translations. So this website has been done mainly by Bhante Sujato, and features I'm going to show you today I think only work with his translations. There's also the Pali version here, and if you click on this you get other language options. So anyway, we're going to look at the English translation. So here is the English translation of the Satipatthana Sutra. All well and good. Now if you click on this little cog symbol here, the text settings, it brings up some features which I don't think many know about. So we can first of all we can view the original text side by side or line by line. I like the side by side, so you can see the Pali against the English. And if we go a little bit further down, you can activate the Pali word lookup. So this will give us translations in English if we accept that, and then we can go back, and yes, straight away you can see here now that it's put the Pali version side by side with the English, and if you hover over the words you get English translations of the words. It's not foolproof, it doesn't have all the words like that one, but it's a little fun tool anyway, and you can check out whether you're translating correctly. Another quite useful thing is, so if you come back up to the top and hit the little drop down arrow, this will bring up the parallels. So over here in the corner we can see that there are 13 parallel texts. So these are texts which are variants or related to this particular one. So we can see here that MN10, which is what we're looking at, is related to DN22, which is another version of the Satipatthana Sutra, but it also links you to the agamas. So here's the version from the Chinese rendition, and possibly there are some Tibetan ones as well. I don't know enough about it. But that can also be, if you're doing some research, that can be a very useful tool to look at other variants of the sutras. So that's a very quick look through at the SuttaCentral website. I hope that helps everyone with their Pali studies.